Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Y'all, it's not looking good. Mitch McConnell has done it again. This man is pure evil. He needs to be removed from office now. Somehow he needs to get out of office. The man is a multi-billionaire. He does not care about anything. I had a whole breakdown of what I wanted to talk about today, and then he drops his bombshell. So I changed my plans. Mitch McConnell went on record of saying that when they get back into session, they're not even going to pick up the bill to discuss it until the end of June, maybe the 1st of July. He wants to wait another month before he even talks about a bill. Meantime, people are getting kicked out of their homes. People don't have food to eat. People are struggling. People are hurting. And he's living fat. He's living big like a rock star on taxpayers' money. Y'all, this man is pure evil. You can see it in his face. The man is evil. He needs to be gone now. If there's anything that we can do to get him out of office now, now's the time to do it. If not, come November, this man is history. This man will not have a job. Of course, he don't need a job with all of his billions. That's why he's not worried about it. He's set for life, the rest of his life. He is so old it won't be much longer. Y'all, they want us to spend this money if we ever get it. I felt so optimistic that we was going to get the stimulus check. That was crushed today. I don't know if we will or not. I hope we will. I pray we will. But they want us to they want us to spend the money, not save it. They said people saving it last time is the problem. I say they're the problem. Y'all, there's a way around this. The ones of you that had money and could spend it on your bills and your groceries and stuff, okay, I hope you still do. But take your cash that you have on hand. Save that money. Use this card or check what they're going to send you, and use that to buy your groceries, your car gas, pay your bills, whatever you need to do. Use that to do that with, and save your cash. You're still saving money, and you're doing what they want you to do with that stimulus. Okay, now the talk is, should we hold China accountable for the COVID-19 pandemic? Should we make them pay? Yes, I think we should. But we have lost so many lives right now from the COVID-19. I don't want us to go to war with China, because that would just create more loss of life. And like they're saying, you can't fix a problem by just keep throwing money at it. Well, we can't fix a problem by keep throwing American lives at it neither. So we got to be very careful how we handle China, that we don't go to war. I believe with diplomacy we can make them feel the hurt. We need to cut off all ties with them. No more trade with them. Nothing. Just forget they even exist over there. Of course, we got to keep an eye on them because they're dangerous people. But that being said, we don't have to be allies with them. We don't have to do any kind of trade with them. They need our money. So I know we get a lot of money from them, but they get more from us with the trade. Restrict all of their imports, and we will not export anything to them either. Y'all, getting back to Mitch McConnell. The man has proven time and time again that he is completely out of touch with the American people. He said from the get-go that he is in no hurry, and that has not changed. In fact, I think he's even slowed down even more now. They sent out a calendar today, the Senate calendar for the next 3 months, and it could be the 1st of August or the middle of August before anybody sees a stimulus check, if it get passed. We don't even know if it's going to get passed or not. Y'all, I was so gung-ho, I was thinking, yeah, this is going to get passed, and by next month we'll be getting stimulus checks. They shot that down today. Mitch McConnell said that he is not even going to look at anything for another month. I think President Trump needs to step in and give him an attitude adjustment. Y'all, I'm sorry this video today is not a positive one. I normally try to keep my videos a little on the positive side because there is so much negative out there. But today, I'm sorry, I just can't help it. The Senate, Mitch McConnell, single-handed destroyed my hopes. We'll just have to wait and see what happens. Well, that's all I really got today. I am just really fed up with this whole situation. Y'all, we got to stand up. We've got to stand up and let our voices be heard. We got to get their attention. I don't know how we're going to do it. That I can say here anyway. Y'all, I commented yesterday that I wanted to say more on YouTube, but I can't because it's YouTube. I had a comment on that video. This person says she wished that I could say what I really feel because she would love to hear it. Y'all, until they get rid of censorship in America, our voices will be silent. If you don't think there's censorship in America, you're dead wrong. We are censored every day by what we say. We say the wrong thing, we can lose this account. We say the wrong thing, we can offend this person. We can go to jail for whatever. Censorship is a real thing in America, believe it or not. Until tomorrow, I love you all. Please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, a thumbs down. Leave me your comments. Just know, I love you all.